Here's an explanation of the National Electrical Code requirements for panel board selection, specifically regarding Main Lug Only, or MLO, versus Main Circuit Breaker, or MCB Panels, and the impact of the 25-foot rule. You're dealing with a service that has a main disconnect and feeds 3 panels. One panel is located less than 25 feet from the main disconnect, and 2 panels are located more than 25 feet away. National Electrical Code Article 225.30 covers overcurrent protection for outside branch circuits and feeders. This article outlines the requirements for the location and accessibility of overcurrent protective devices. Section 225.30 addresses location in or on premises, stating that overcurrent protective devices shall be readily accessible and not located near easily ignitable material. Section 225.30b deals with grouping, requiring that overcurrent devices be grouped and clearly labeled to indicate the circuits they protect. Section 225.30c discusses accessibility, specifying that overcurrent devices must be readily accessible without requiring the removal of any part of the building structure or fixed equipment. There are exceptions that follow in 225.30d, 225.30e, and 225.30f. Sections 225.30e and 225.30f are most relevant to your situation. 225.30e addresses scenarios where a panel board or service equipment is in sight from its overcurrent device. In such cases, the overcurrent device must be readily accessible. This implies that if the panel is within sight and less than 25 feet from the main disconnect, an MLO panel might be acceptable, as the main disconnect can serve as the required overcurrent protection. 225.30f covers situations where a panel board or service equipment is not in sight from its overcurrent device and is located more than 25 feet away. Here, the overcurrent device must be readily accessible and located in an accessible room, closet, or similar space. This is why the 2 panel boards located more than 25 feet from the main disconnect will require MCB, or main circuit breakers. The main circuit breaker in these panels acts as the necessary overcurrent protection at the panel location, since the main service disconnect is not within sight and is further than 25 feet away. Therefore, the panel less than 25 feet away may use an MLO panel because it is considered in sight of the main disconnect. However, the 2 panels located greater than 25 feet away need main circuit breakers to comply with National Electrical Code 225.30f, ensuring readily accessible overcurrent protection at each panel's location.